Hey guys, in today's video I'm taking a look at OBS, so we're gonna download it. So in Google just type in OBS, that should take you here. It's your first option. Then you're gonna see this. So from here just click on Mac and then you're gonna get these two. Intel are older computers. Nowadays most likely you have an M1, M2, and 3 computer, so go on, and that's what this means by the way, and choose that. Then it's gonna start downloading. So right on top of here you're gonna see it download. There we go. Double click on it and you're gonna get started with the process, which is just to drag it onto your applications, which we just did. And for most of you, you're not gonna see something like this because I already had OBS installed, so that's why I'm gonna replace it right now. You guys will not be doing that step because you don't have it. It's your first time installing it. So there we go. And then we can just get started. So you might see this on the side on your desktop. All you guys have to do is right click on it, eject to get away from that. And then you're gonna go right into Finder applications, and you should see it there. So OBS should be somewhere in here. So it's down here below. I'm just gonna make a shortcut for it. You guys do not need to do this. Once I open it up, it should be working fine. And that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.